I want to help you fill your cup. I want to inspire you. I want to teach you. And I want to help you be more creative and to live a fuller, more joyful life through rug hooking. That's what I'm here for. That's what I do. And that's what's important to me. And I do that through the inspiration sessions with a select group of people who are part of that membership. Now, the membership is open until Sunday if you want to join. We did a special opening for this September because we knew that there were a lot of people who wanted to join. So right now you can join me. And what joining means is that once a month you'll get a special video from me where I'm making an original rug like this one or these here, one of our originals in the studio. And I'll tell you step by step what I'm doing. I'll explain it to you and I'll talk to you about what inspires me and what keeps me going and what makes me creative. I'll give you book recommendations and fill you with all the ideas that have come to me that month. That's what I do. I share my artistic spirit with you. Each um, month or 10 months a year, we have a meeting, a group meeting where you can ask me questions directly. I'm there, I'm available. You can ask me questions, we can talk. You can meet rug hookers from all over the world, and we break down into small groups. It's a hook in. We have a hook in, and I'm there hooking with you. And I always leave with my cup full after those meetings. And I, I know that they create a kind of energy for people that sustains them and makes them want to keep hooking rugs. We also have a private community group, and we throw in some extra videos, like just some little creativity videos. Like yesterday, we made a fabulous one about doing things that are hard, and we'll share that with you. And this month in the session, I'm going to share with you the secrets of how to be original. That's what I'm going to focus on in the September inspiration session. And because I think that's a question that a lot of us have, how do we be original in our work? So the inspiration sessions are for you if you want to connect more deeply with your rug hooking, if you want to connect with me, if you want to connect with our studio, and if you want to grow and learn in your rug hooking this year. So you can join monthly. It's $19.95. That's about $16 US. It's easy to join. You just go to the front of our website, and right there's a link that'll take you right there. The membership is only open until Sunday. We just let people join once in a while. It's not like an open, you can't join anytime. So the membership is open now until Sunday. And I think you should join if you want to learn more from me about rug hooking and creativity. And if you want to fill your cup, I'm here for the tea. See ya. Take care. HookingRugs.com.